So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of any of the game lagging while streaming on your from your system. Now, in order to fix that, simply open the Task Manager. You can easily find it on the search menu. Open Task Manager. Now, in the Task Manager, go to the section that is Details. Now, here you'll find multiple softwares that are running and find your game that is running over here. For example, let's say this Chrome is my game that I'm streaming and it is lagging. Now what you need to do is to just simply right click over there, and here you'll see this option of set priority. Now here there are multiple options. If you are streaming any game, I would recommend you to set that particular game to high or real time, because while streaming, the streaming software may consume more RAM than the game itself. That may cause error, so set its priority to real time or high. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.